Okay, today we are going to learn graphical solution of the linear equation in two variables. When the one equation is given and more than one equation means system of linear equations. Okay, is it visible to you? The
Yes,
present
sir.
Yes, sir.
because if you see this one little bit easily, you can understand. And on the board also, I'll explain to you problems. So let us consider the one graphical equation. Linear inequation ax plus b is less than c or ax plus by is less than c, two variables are there. The values of the variables for which inequality holds true is called the solution of inequality. That is called the solution. Okay. So now here if you take into consider 2x plus 3y is less than 8. 2x plus 3y is less than 8 if you are taking into consider. X is a variable, y is a variable. Okay, 2x plus y less than 8. And here if you see that 1 1 you substitute 5, LHS 5 you are going to get, and RHS is 8, it is 5 less than 8. That means 1 comma 1 will satisfies the one point, that is one point which satisfies the equation. So that is a one point here which satisfies the equation. So that is the solution of, that is called the solution of the equation. And if you substitute x plus my 2, y plus my 1, what you are going to get? 7. 7 less than 8. That is also a solution. So a linear inequation is going to have infinite number of solutions. It is going to have infinite number of solutions. So with like this, so many solutions will exist. 1 comma 2 substitute karo, 0 comma 0 substitute karo, and if you substitute 1 comma 2, not satisfying. So this is not a solution. So here, whenever you take into consider which are the solutions, which are not the solutions, how do we represent the solution on a graph? That are all we are going to learn here. So graphically, representation of a linear inequalities in two variables. Two variables whenever. Single variable is nothing but number line mein aayega. Two variables is nothing but a graph sheet should be taken into consider. As an example, 2x plus 3y less than 8 you take into consider. That is a linear inequation. What is the solution set means of the that inequation to find out? First, you take the equation. So draw the line. A equation represents on a graph a line. Equation represents on the graph a line, and inequation represents the half plane. You will come to know that. So ये inequation बोले तो ये left side वाला right side वाला two parts होता है, and you take here, how do you get the that line? 2x plus 3y equal to 8. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. How do you get? Any 2 points you take into consider which satisfies the equation, and that 2 points you mark on the board, on the graph, and वो दोनों को join करो line out. So whatever the line is showing to you, that line is 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
O is equals to 8 है, and less than greater than to find out any points which satisfies the equation. Previously we have taken 1 comma 1 you take, and 2 comma 1 you take the 2 points, and 1 comma 2 you take the point, and that points you substitute on the in the inequation, in the given inequation substitute kar lo. So which is satisfies the equation inequation or not? Suppose if you substitute 1 comma 1, yes, true हो जाएगा, लेस देन 8 आ जाएगा. 5 2 कामा 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, लेस देन 8 है. 1 कामा 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, नहीं आएगा. So except that point, except the points which are on the line, line में क्या क्या points है वो छोड़ो, because 1 कामा 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो in the previous we are going to get 1 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 2 plus 6 8 आ जाएगा. That is on the line. That is on the line. Line में हो जाएगा. So except the points which are on the line, the region downwards. So don't consider always that less than is nothing but downwards, right, greater than is nothing but right side. Any point if you substitute, that is called the solution. Means in this blue color में आपको किधर किधर दिख रहे हैं, all that points are solution set of the given inequation का. Okay, 2x plus 3y less than 8 का. Okay, this point. And here if you consider that left half plane, right half plane, when you draw the line vertically, the two regions you are going to get. Left side means you don't consider the x-axis, y-axis. And here line, if you take slant, upper half plane, lower half plane, two parts you are going to get. Upper part, lower part. Okay, ax plus by greater than c if you are taking into consider. B greater than 0 हो गया है. B is positive if the and B is negative. Two conditions will be there. Two conditions. In case first condition B positive if you are taking into consider. Ax plus by is equal to c line will be like this whenever you take into consider. And the points A and B, A is a point you consider P comma Q, B is a point you consider P comma R. And here if you see that R is greater than Q आ जाएगा. So because same line में ले लिया है and both sides, so BR is greater than BQ. So AP plus BR is greater than AP plus BQ. So adding or subtracting the number both sides will not change. So AP plus BR is greater than C since P comma Q lies on the line. So ये सब कुछ आप लोगों को थोड़ा confuse हो सकता है with the variables whenever you are taking into consider. Just numbers find out करो. Any number you substitute. Okay. Any number you substitute in the one number you have to take into consider. इन इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा है वो नंबर किधर रह रहा है. सपोज इफ इट इज सॉल्यूशन देन उस साइड यू हैव टू शेड इट. इफ इट इज नॉट ए सॉल्यूशन एंड डू रिमेंबर हियर दैट मेन पॉइंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर if in equation is given to you less than or equals to, if in equation is given less than or equal, including the line, the points which are present on the line also to be taken into consider, including the lines which are present, that should be taken into consider. Okay, समझ में आया? Now system of linear equations is nothing but two equations if it is given to you, two linear inequations given to you. Solution कैसे फाइंड आउट करते? Okay, one linear inequation का solution ये solution region है. Okay, this side and another solution region, another region here, and दोनों को common किधर है? That is a common solution. If you take the a1x plus b1y less than c1, a2x plus b2y less than c2, collection of the linear inequalities is called the system of linear inequality. Not only one, two, not only two, three, four also. Any number of the linear inequalities if it is given to you, they are all called the solutions. System of linear inequalities. One is less than given, another one is greater than given here in equation. So one solution set you are going to get, and second के लिए second solution set, and both common wherever you get intersection part, that is called the solution. Let us take the one example here: x plus y less than or equal to 5, x minus y greater than or equal to 3. First you have to take the graph, the points which satisfy these many points, not essential to you to graphically to represent, because here x and y are given to you. ये देखो ये points are there. Intersection क्या है? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. This is roster form. Graphically, how do you represent? This is not the complete solution, because whenever the linear inequations are given, real numbers to be taken into consider. Real numbers consider करते हैं. ये ही ग्राफ में represent करना चाहते हैं. X plus y less than 5 is equal to 5 line you are going to get like this. 0, 0 substitute करो. Any point you can substitute, not only origin. 0, 0 substitute करो. True आ जाएगा. So 0, 0 किस तरफ है उस तरफ शेड करना है. Okay, हो गया ना ये पार्ट. Next, x minus y greater than 3, greater than or equal to 3, including this green line, remaining part you have to share. Including, in the first case, including. And ये
Sir, why including, sir?
Voice?
Sir, why including?
हाँ, less than or equal to दिया, greater than or equal to दिया है ना.
अच्छा sir, okay.
Because is equals to दिया in both situations.
Yes sir.
But the points which are present on the line also to be taken into consider. Very good. समझ में आया? So here common region, what is the common region you are going to get? ये black part है ना, दोनों को ये pink and grey का including the lines to be taken into consideration. Okay, समझ में आया?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here, in this way, you can find out the solution of the linear inequalities whenever it is given to you. Okay, so let us go for the exercise 6.2 and 6.3. Based on this only you are going to have, and all the problems it is not possible to me to explain to you. So very simple here. Just you take into consider one by one. Board is visible to you, no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. Okay. सिक्स पॉइंट टू में लेट अस टेक द स्टार्टिंग में सेवेंथ प्रॉब्लम ऑनवर्ड्स लेट अस डू इट because all the problems are it is any problem you can do. All the same similar models है except the 2-3 problems. So seventh one if you are taking into consider minus 3x plus 2y less than or equals to greater than or equals to minus 6. First what we have to do, line find out करना है. इसका solution, solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. So instead of asking you question like this, I may ask you to find out a question can be given to you in a different way. Write the 10 solutions of this inequation. Or you can trial and error method you can use. When I am asking 10 solutions, graph draw करके उसके अंदर 10 solutions निकाल सकते हैं. You can do it. In both the ways you can do it. Suppose if your first graph, how do you draw the graph of means the solution to find the two-dimensional plane में graph कैसे draw करते हैं? First you have to draw the graph of minus 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. Line draw करना. So line के लिए कभी भी every time you try to remember minimum 3 points to take. Sir, 2 points enough na? Sometimes in a calculation mistake, if you are doing the 1 point wrong, you see that I am going to take the 2 points only. If I take 3 points, I request you to take. X is equals to 0 take. ये 0 हो गया. Y equal to 3 होगा. Y equal to 0 you take. X equal to minus 2 होगा. Isn't it? X equal to any point you take which is in such a way that decimal नहीं आने के लिए सोचो. Like that better you take. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? So
Yes, sir.
x equal to 2 ले लिया मैंने. If I take x equal to 2, what I will get? 6. ये 6 उधर जाएगा plus 6 12 by 2 6 by 1. Okay, 3 points I have taken in. So plot these 3 points. Plot the points on the graph. And join. So after graph, even whenever you take into consider, usually your graph sheets will be whenever you are doing in the exam also. Better you do this solution and the graph paper. If you are taking your graph paper को पेपर ओपन कर ले. सपोज पेपर ओपन कर लिया है तो इस साइड ग्राफ पेपर होता है तो इस साइड सॉल्यूशन होगा. If you attach the graph paper in a closed way, ये graph paper मान लो, ये ऐसा close करेगा, solution इधर हो रहा है. When the papers are open, आपका notebook ऐसे open कर लिया तो, so in the exam also you try to tie the papers in that way, that you have to habituate. Some students will do this solution somewhere else and the graph will be tied at last. No, try to make both together. either left side or right side. Okay, if you do the solution right side में आ गया आपको, ग्राफ पेपर को ऐसा मोड़ दो, बीच में ये ग्राफ पेपर मान लो, तो इसको ऐसा कंप्लीट करके टाइप करो एग्जाम में. Okay, so now here the plot the points on the graph let us take into consider. I am going to draw the graph here. X axis, this is y axis. So scale also you are supposed to write compulsory scale. So on the x axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit I am taking, because here the numbers are very less. And on the y axis also I am taking 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So here the points are given to you. On the y axis still the 6 number is there, and the x axis -2 +2. So 1, 2, 3 is not necessary to this, but negative numbers are necessary. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the points you have to plot 0, 3. Don't get confused. X coordinate, y coordinate. 0, 3 will be x coordinate 0, y axis में होगा 0, 3. This is the point. -2, 0. -2, 0 will be here. 2, 6. 2, 6 point will be here. So ये देखो ये straight line आ रहा है. Suppose if you are taking only 2 points, you will get it. Sir, ये इसका जरूरत क्या है? ये दोनों ले लिया तो भी करें. Suppose while doing the calculation, ये find out करते समय कुछ गलत किया है. आप ये 0 ले लिया तो confusion में -2 की जगह में +2 रख दिया. Confusion में. So -2 की जगह में +2 रख दिया, ये होता है. आप लाइन ये ड्रा सकते हैं. पूरा solution गलत हो सकता है. 3 points whenever you are finding safe side में. So ये गलत कर दिया कैलकुलेशन, 0 ले ले तो unexpectedly you have written 2 here. So अब पॉइंट क्या होगा? ये नहीं होगा पॉइंट. ये पॉइंट इधर आ रहा है, इधर आ रहा है. ओह, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आ रहा है तो गलत है. It is wrong. You have to think like this. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So better choice is to take the minimum 3 points. Minimum 3 points if you are taking. If you can find out your mistake, this is a line. After drawing the line, this line equation you have write -3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. Is equals to 6. Line equation. Now, which side we have to share? So substitute 0, 0 in -3x plus 2y greater than or equal to -6. 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 0 greater than or equal to -6. 0 greater than or equal to -6. सही है? Wrong है?
Yes, sir.
0 is greater than or equal to, yes, it is true.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0, 0 is belongs to the region -2, 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to -6. So -0, 0 किधर है? उस तरफ शेयर करना है. So आप लोग इसको भी हाईलाइट करना है, बिकॉज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू एरिया. इसको भी थोड़ा थिक करना है. थिक करके इस तरफ शेयर करो, ऐसा एरो मार्क. बिकॉज 0, 0 किस तरफ है? उस तरफ. सर व्हाई डू यू टेक ओनली 0, 0? The point which is not on this line, any point you can take. ये 1, 1 है ना, ये भी substitute करो. 1 point, any 1 point you substitute. And here also you can substitute the 2 points to check. ये गलत कर लिया. Suppose in case if you do wrong here, पूरा problem खराब होता है. रॉन्ग होता है. ये suppose गलती से substitution में कुछ कर दिया, इधर false लिख दिया. False आया तो 0, 0 point, whatever the point you are substituting, other than the side you have to share. So here, see here, whenever see, don't remember that greater than or equal to means ऊपर है, less than or equal to means नीचे है. ये गलत concept है. बहुत ज्यादा लोग देखो ये greater than or equal to दे दिया, but नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है. So don't consider that greater than or equal to means ऊपर upper part, less than or equal to means lower part, ऐसा नहीं consider करना. You have to substitute the point, any point you can substitute. 1 comma 1 चाहिए, 1 comma 1 इधर वाला substitute कर, ये point इधर एक point ले, 10 comma minus 10 comma 10 ले लो, minus 10 comma 10 substitute करो, false आ जाएगा. false आया तो opposite side, true आया तो किस तरह की what point substituted उसी तरह करना है. This is the solution. Now if I am asking 10 points मैंने पूछ लिया है, 10 points पूछ लिया है तो any 10 points in this region you write down, हो जाएगा. Any 10 points you write, then it is a solution. Okay, समझ में आया? So remaining problem देखो.
So question number 9.
Y less than minus 2. Y less than minus 2. 9 problem. सिर्फ only one variable it is given. So y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2 बोले तो x axis को parallel में minus 2. This is the equation of y equal to minus 2. Equation of x axis is y equal to 0. Equation of the y axis is x equal to 0. Because इस लाइन पे पूरा y 0 होता है ना, that's why the equation is y equal to 0. So this is the equation, and here y less than 2 चाहिए. Any point you take in this 0 comma 0 substitute, तो 0 comma 0 तो 0 less than minus 2 होता है. ये false है. So इस तरफ शेड नहीं करना, नीचे की तरफ शेड करना. As it is given less than, इसको tick नहीं करना. Any points you take in this region, that is a solution. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Okay. Next, system of linear equations take into consider. 6.3 पे चलते हैं. Okay. Here 2 linear equations given to you, 3 linear equations, 4 linear equations given to you. Let us take the attested one bigger problem. 13th problem let us take, otherwise 14th problem with a more very big numbers is given to you. That I am going to explain to you in the starting. Okay? All the problems are similar only, you have to do it. Can you do it?
Yes sir.
See here, all similar problems ना, ये ऐसे ही करना है बोल के छोड़ना नहीं. You need to do it. Even if you take into consider second problem देखो, मैं first second problem explain करता हूँ थोड़ा. एक problem ये ले लेंगे. Second one. What is the equation? In one graph only how to do all this. 3x plus 2y is less than or equals to 12. X greater than or equals to minus 1, y greater than or equals to 2. So here, first you have to line draw करना है, A इसका. So line के लिए 3 points better you take. A 0 ले लो, x 0 को लेते y 6 होगा, y 0 लेते x. If you take x as a 2, 3 to the 6 3 आ जाएगा, 2 comma 3. ये पॉइंट्स को प्लॉट करो ग्राफ में. ओके, इज इट विजिबल टू यू?
Yes sir.
So what to do here? 0 comma 6. So I am plotting the points here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, negative points तो नहीं है, but you write here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what are the points? 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6 will be, please that's why pay attention that confusion बहुत ज्यादा लोग होता है. 0 comma 6 means x 0 means y axis में होता है. Y axis is this one, 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0. नेक्स्ट 2, 3, पॉइंट 2 एंड 3, देखो ये तीनों एक ही लाइन में आ रहा है, सो दिस इज अ लाइन, सो व्हाट इज दिस लाइन, 3x plus 2y is equals to 12, शेड करना है, इज इक्वल्स टू लेस देन चाहिए, सो इस तरफ 0, 0 है, सब्स्टिट्यूट 0, 0 in 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 2. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 2. 0 less than or equal to 2. True आ रहा है. Therefore, you have to shade this तरफ. इस तरफ को shade. And shade करते समय इसको भी थोड़ा highlight करना है, because thick line है. Greater than less than or equal. Next, x greater than or equals to 1 चाहिए. X greater than or equals to 1. X greater than or equals to 1 means x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is parallel to the line y axis through the 1. Okay. Now greater than 1. वही 0 substitute करो. 0 greater than or equals to 1. It is false. It is false. So 0 किधर है? उस तरफ नहीं शेयर करना है, ऑपोजिट की तरफ, दिस तरफ, इज इक्वल्स टू दे दिया है, सो इज इक्वल्स टू दे दिया, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू दे, इसको भी इंक्लूड करना है. देखिए कॉमन किधर आ रहा है, ये लाइन इसके नीचे वाला पार्ट कॉमन आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? दिस लाइन एंड इसके नीचे वाला पार्ट कॉमन, बिकॉज ये उस तरफ है, ये इस तरफ, ये लाइन की राइट साइड है, ये लाइन की लेफ्ट साइड. स्टिल वन मोर इज देयर, स्टिल वन मोर, y greater than or equals to, y greater than or equals to 2 is nothing but y equal to 2 is nothing but x axis को parallel. ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So that this you can write here. This x equals to 1. This y is equals to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now here what to do? Y greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means substitute same 0, 0 in y greater than or equal to 2. So y value 0 है. 0 greater than or equal to 2. ये भी false है. So 0, 0 इस तरफ है, इस तरफ नहीं, ऊपर की तरफ शेयर करना है. So ऊपर की तरफ शेयर कर रहे तो कॉमन पार्ट आपको क्या आ रहा है? ये ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म. So this is the solution set including the points. वो points include करते भी, then that is the solution you are going to get. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Let us take the one more problem here. 14th problem, 3x plus 2y less than or equal. I am going to explain to you in something different way. 1 minute. ग्राफ ड्रॉ करके मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. ओके, so with this you are going to understand the complete solution. because graph in the graph if I show to you in a proper way, मैं display करके draw करके मैं दिखाता हूँ so that easily you can understand. The fourth, so remaining, I think remaining problems you can do it.
Yes, sir.
So the question is given to you 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 150, x plus 4y less than or equal to 80, x is less than is the graph paper is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So that ये graph paper ले लेंगे. So the solution we will do it here. So what is the question given to you? The question is given to you. First thing is 3x plus, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2y less than or equals to 150 and x plus 4y is less than or equals to 80, x less than or equals to 15. Whenever here you have to consider that y greater than or equals to 0, x greater than. What is the meaning of this? Only first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
X
Only
greater
first quadrant.
0 is nothing but this is belongs to the first quadrant. Only first quadrant is enough to you to take. So first you find out the points which is satisfied. Line के लिए आप लोग ये find out करो. Is equals to 150 चाहिए. So इसके लिए so you take the points which satisfies the equation. X equal to, if you take the 0, y equal to 75, y equal to 0 if you take x equal to 50 हो जाएगा. ये तो सही है. 2 points enough actually. टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं है तो 2 points करेक्टली लेना है. Okay, so next one is x plus 4y is equals to 80 है. Here also 2 points is enough to you. Actually, to avoid the confusion and correctness, better you take the 3 points if you are having a time in the exam. एग्जाम में टाइम नहीं है इसके लिए अभी 3 पॉइंट्स के लिए कैलकुलेट करते करते टाइम वेस्ट कर लिया. So that is also foolishness. So if you take the x equal to 0, y equal to 20, y equal to 0, x equal to 80. Okay. So now another this one, these points 0 comma 75 is a 1 point, 50 comma 0, 50 comma 0 is the another point. So these points let us mark on the graph. So graph में whenever you are taking into consider, only you take the, this is y axis, this is x axis. So here I am going to take 5 units. 1 centimeter equal to 5, here 5, 10, 15. थोड़ा बड़ा वाला लेते तो अच्छा होगा ग्राफ.
Then you take 10.
हाँ
So you can take 10 units, sir. Otherwise, it will be very congested, sir.
10 ले लेंगे?
यस सर, इधर ही आप 10 दिन ले लीजिए मुझे।
अदरवाइज दूर दूर लिखते हैं 10, 2 पॉइंट्स,
हाँ सर, हाँ सर, इट इज ऑल्सो गुड।
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So what are the points we are having? You see here, 80 से ज़्यादा नहीं है. So here also 2 centimeters is equals to 10 units I am taking. 2 centimeters is equals to 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay.
Yes sir.
So now the points 0, 75. 0, 75 means x coordinate 0, y में. So 75 point here होगा. This is 0, 75. Okay. The another point is 50, 0. So 50, 0 here. This is a point. So join these two with a straight line. Sorry. Okay. So now here another line. ये after taking this one, another points का 0, 20. So 0, 20 also you take and you write this inequation. So what is this inequation represents? 3x plus 2y is equals to, this is inequation represents 3x plus 2y is equals to 150. It shows. Okay.
Yes sir.
So now here the second line is x plus 4y is equals to 80. X plus 4y. So 0, 20, 80, 0. So 0, 20 will be here. 80, 20 will be here. दोनों को join करो. So what is the line here? X plus 4y is equals to 80. This line is x plus 4y is equals to 80. So now let us see that shading. Shading is that one more is also we are having. So one more is what here? We are having here x less than or equals to 15. So x equal to 15 line है ना, ये last में ले लेंगे. Now
Sir,
let us हाँ
sir here y is equal to 0 ना? Sir x equal to 15 means.
हाँ x equal to 15 means y equal to 0. X equal to 15 is nothing but at the place of 15 y axis, the line which is parallel to y axis to be taken into consider. Y axis को parallel लेना है because equation of a y axis is x equal to 0. X equal to constant means line which is parallel to y axis to be taken into consider. Okay. So now shading करना है. Shading करने के लिए what to do here? इसमें 0, 0 substitute कर लो. In this true आ जाएगा. So 0, 0 belongs to 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 150. And here 0, 0 is belongs to x plus 4y less than or equals to 80. इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. ओके. सो दोनों की तरफ 0, 0 किधर है उसकी तरफ शेड करना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेड विद द डिफरेंट कलर्स हियर. फॉर दिस तरफ ये पूरा ये लाइन्स. ओके. एंड हियर फॉर दिस इस तरफ. ओके. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Next x is equals to 15. X is equals to 15 means 15 y axis को parallel है. Y axis को parallel 15 इधर होता है. This is a line. Sorry. This is x is equals to 15. X is equals to 15 को less than दे दिया है. So less than means downwards. So common part किधर आया identify करना है इसमें. Common part, what is the common part you are going to get? What is the shaded region for this common part? So I am going to take the another color here. See here, ये line है. This is a line. इधर से इधर तक, और देन आफ्टर नीचे की तरफ आया है कॉमन, दिस इज अ पार्ट, एंड इसकी लाइन है, दिस इज अ पार्ट. सो ये इसके नीचे वॉट एवर इट इज देयर ग्रीन कलर में, the points which are downwards to this one, this part, whatever I am highlighting, is it visible to you? Green color.
Yes, sir.
So green color के नीचे की तरफ की what are the points are there? All the points will satisfy the given equation. All the
Sir,
points. Wait. No.
sir, you change the sir, pen shape, sir. It will the make it bold, sir.
Huh?
Sir, pen shape, sir. Here, sir. Above the line, sir.
हाँ. वे highlighter लेता हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
Take the highlighter, don't worry. Only in the first quadrant दे दिया. If it is not given to you, x ये पार्ट है. This is the solution for the given equation. Linear system of linear equations. समझ में आया? सही है
Yes,
ना?
sir. Sir.
ये हाँ.
हाँ sir, yes sir.
Because x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Only you have to take the x greater than 0, y greater than 0. X greater than 0 is nothing but, for that x greater than 0 you need to take the x greater than 0 is nothing but इस तरफ आ जाएगा ये वाला पार्ट. y greater than 0 is nothing but y equal to 0 x axis होगा, ये पार्ट आ जाएगा. इस ये पूरा में कॉमन क्या है वो लेना है. समझ में आ रहा है? So first quadrant only if you are taking into consideration, that's enough. So like this you have to shade the region, and this will be helpful to you in your future. ये ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना है. इधर तो आप लोगों को बहुत कम प्रॉब्लम्स है इसमें, बट इन द नेक्स्ट year means 12th class में you are going to have linear programming problems, LPP बोलते हैं. There it is very much useful to you, and the more problems will be there in that. Okay, will you complete the exercise problems?
Yes sir.
The remaining all I think so you can do. It's
Yes
not
sir.
very difficult. ये एक प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया ना? Problems are
Yes sir.
these are all time consuming problems, but you have to do it. You have to do it. Practice करना है. Practice नहीं करते तो then you will not get it. And where you are committing the mistakes, you will come to know that. Okay, so complete the exercise problems, all the problems you need to do it. And the next class we are going to start the permutations and combinations next chapter. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes, you can.